I just discovered this project yesterday and I decided to show it to my community so that we can make money together. From this project you can be earning passively. You can be earning passively, and what do you have to do? Just be checking in every day. Just check in once a day and you have your coin. So the coin can be converted once you get to the withdrawal threshold. You can convert it to the native coin of this project and send it to Mexican and sell immediately. And that is the a good part of it. You can sell. This is not a coin that you'll be waiting for it to be launched. This coin is launched already. The native coin of this project is launched already, and the native coin is called PHY. So let me show you around the project, guys. Let me show you around the project first. So I'll be dropping the link for the registration in the description section so you can opt in immediately. Guys, like I said, I discovered it yesterday. So once I discover a useful information or update like this, I like showing it to my community so that we can start making money. I don't want to start making money before I come and show it to you guys. So that is why I'm showing it to you today. This is the native coin of this project, PHY. Like I told you, PHY has been listed on Mexican, and PHY is $1.12. So once you start mining this coin, you'll be earning gems. Look at it. This is what you'll be earning, gem. This is what you'll be earning, gem. I started it yesterday and see I'm having 3,200 gems, which is equal to $0.48. So imagine if I'm accumulating this every day for a month. You know what it will be worth. You can use your calculator. But guys, don't fade this project. So what I'll be showing you, okay, what I have here presently, let me swap a portion for you to discover that it is legit, it is true. Let me swap. So to swap from this project, you simply go to flash swap. That is where you'll be able to swap your coin to PHI, and you can even swap your coin here to USDT. So you know, once you are able to swap to USDT, that means you can send to any exchange. But if you want to use the native coin of this project, it is PHI. It is only listed on Mexican. So you have several options. Let's check. I'm not swapping, but I'll just show you. Flash swap. You go to flash swap, guys, because I don't have enough gems to swap now. So look at it. Gems. I'm having gems. So if I'm swapping everything, let me swap just 800 for instance. 800. So 800 will be giving me 1.0 PHY, and I told you 1 PHY is $1. So this is going to be $0.1. Yes, this is going to be $0.1. So if I want to swap to USDT, I said it is $0.1. Let me pick USDT, so you discover that it is true. So let's swap to USDT. But if you are swapping to USDT, there is a certain charges that you'll be charged there. But let me do 1,200 gems. So 1,200 is giving me $0.17. So let me swap it for you to confirm that it is possible. Let me swap to USDT. Confirm. Swap successful. So now let me go back to where your profile is. You simply come here. This arrow. No, not this arrow, sorry. This place. You come here where you have the image of a person. Then you tap it. Then you come to personal center. Then you tap my assets. So coming to my asset, you can see I'm having 0.17 USDT, the one I just swapped. So, and I'm still having 2,000 gems. So once you check in, now to check in every day, what do? You come to this place that I showed you. You come to personal center. Then after getting to personal center, to check in, because it's before I discover it, I troubleshooted for a long time. So you come to my assets to check in. tap my assets. So after tapping my assets, look at this arrow. Look at this arrow. You tap the arrow. So guys, I'm sorry, to sign in daily, you simply come to this where you have this image like I said previously. You tap it, then after tapping it, then you come to personal center here, personal center here, then you tap personal center, then look at this arrow. That is what you tap, like I said the other time. This arrow, you tap it to show you the signing. So look at it, we have signing here, signing, then you tap signing. That is what you simply do every day to accumulate gems. So signing in now will give you 400 gems. Let's go and check my balance. Let's go back to my balance and check. Now this is the page that I left, the previous page. So to go back, you tap this arrow, you tap this arrow to go back so that you can see your balance. So this is my balance now. You can see 400 gems has been added for checking in. So you check in, keep checking in every day. So guys, to make more money, you can choose to invite your friends and colleagues. Let them make money with you. Let us make money together. So these are the ways that you can make money. You can see there's no too much task. So you just check in every day, and it doesn't cost anything. Of course, you press your phone daily. So just open the page and check in. Presently, there is no app. They are working on the app, so you can choose to minimize the page like this. Tap this place. This is what I usually do for things that doesn't have apps like this. You come here. You come to this three bar here. Tap the three bar. Then you come to add to home screen. Add to home screen. Then you tap it. Then after tapping it, you add it on your home screen like this. You can see I already added it. That is why I didn't tap the other time. So I already have it here. It's here. Look at it here. I already have it here. So you save it. So you just keep tapping it every day and do the task. So let me show you the PHY that I said it is listed on Mexican, the native coin of this project. So you know it is real. Whether so it is real Mexican. This is my Mexican account. Mexican. Then you go to wallet. Let's go to wallet. No, at the home page, even at the home page, let me search PHY. PHY. You can see we have PHY USDT. PHY USDT is $1.1, like you saw on the app. PHY USDT is $1.1. So guys, up till now, let's make money together. I'll be dropping the link in the description section. So if you have any question, guys, chat me, message me, drop message on the video, and I will definitely respond. So guys, if you haven't joined this channel, please endeavor to join, to subscribe now, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't be missing updates like this. And please always remember to comment and like videos. Make it your habit. So I will see you in my next video, guys. Let's make money together.